Hi Felters and welcome. Please meet Hazel, the latest of my online courses. And I love her. She's really, really cute and sweet. And it's like owning your own mini Highland cow. Have you ever thought about doing one? Have you been a bit worried about how to do the armature, how to do the hooves, how to trim the coat? Well, don't worry anymore. I will lead you all the way through it. The course is over 2.5 hours. Let me show you a little bit about it. So if you fancy making your own Hazel the Highland cow, please click on the link below in the description and it will take you to my courses site, Thinkific, where if you just register with your email, then it will show you all the courses that I do and all the prices. She's very reasonably priced, and if we're watching this in the first 48 hours, there is 20% off the price. Thanks for watching everybody, and we'll see you again soon.